Hey everyone, I want to share with you my experience with the Morningrain Ecopure Laundry Sheets. Powder and liquid detergent have really large, heavy, bulky plastic bottles, whereas these just have little cardboard boxes that are very small and compact, and they are made of sheets, so they disintegrate right into your laundry, and it's not making much waste at all. I actually want to demonstrate with my purse here how small and travel friendly these are also. I love taking them on the go. This is the box here and it fits in my purse very easily. And then I also have my little travel pack sheets here and they just fall right into the purse, super easy. So if I can travel with these just in my normal everyday purse, they're super small and compact for traveling with a weekender bag or a suitcase too. And I love that these don't take up much space in my laundry room either. I am so tired of those big bulky bottles. These are so small and compact and space saving. I have 4 packs here. And this is all the space that they take up compared to a large, big, bulky, traditional laundry bottle that takes up so much space. Now I have tried other brands of laundry sheets out there, but these aren't much larger and thicker. These sheets each weigh 4 to 5 grams, whereas other laundry sheets on the market weigh 2.5 grams each. These sheets use 4 solid enzymes imported from Finland, and they each target different stains. The solid enzymes are naturally fermented and non-toxic. These Ecopure laundry sheets use natural tea tree oil to replace traditional industrial preservatives, and they also collaborated with a perfumer for half a year to create the fresh, natural scent of nature's breath, which is different from the strong and harsh smell of other cleaning products. There are 2 different sizes of these Morningrain sheets. This is the 30 sheets here, and then this is a little travel pack with 5 sheets. And I love that you can choose from a scented or a non-scented option. These are super easy to use. All you have to do is first place in the laundry sheet and then you add your clothes. For small and medium loads, you can tear the sheet and only use half of a sheet. For large loads, you can use the full sheet, or if you have extra large loads, you can use 2 sheets. I really love the overall simplicity of using these. The small packaging, it doesn't take up much space, and these are very easy to use. They don't make a mess at all, and they smell so good and get my laundry so clean. I think that these are a win-win, and I've had such a great experience with them, so I highly recommend the Morningrain Ecopure Laundry Sheets.
Hi, I've been a housewife for many, many, many years, and I have done laundry for more years than I care to remember. And every time I do my laundry, the bottles were very, very, very heavy. And if you had to put them up on a shelf, it was even more of a problem. Or the big boxes. For a while ago, I was introduced to Morningrain, which is about the small size of this, and it is sheets, and they're very, very, very light. And I'm using these Morningrains. This box, for instance, has 30 sheets, and they're just 1 sheet, but you can take it in half and use it for a normal load, half. If you have a larger load, you can use the whole sheet. And you can add to your laundry softener sheets. These softener sheets reduce wrinkles, and they soften the clothes, and they smell beautifully. So I think people should use these Morningrain sheets rather than those large bottles. I have used them and I just love them. Hope you do that too. Yes, this is a demonstration to just show you how quickly the fabric softener material will dissolve. I'm using cold water. It took almost 50 seconds, 30 seconds. On this laundry sheet, you can actually see the enzymes. There are 4, these little dots, there are 4 enzymes in our laundry sheets, and these enzymes come from Finland. And actually, for good laundry, This is very important to have in your laundry.